So, when we think about pronouns, remember, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. A personal pronoun is used to replace the names of people or things that complete actions. A possessive pronoun shows that something belongs to a person, place, or thing. So let's review what pronouns we use. So if I'm talking about myself, one person, I would say I or me, right? My possessive noun would say my if it belonged to me. So for example, I am here. That is my book. The book belongs to me, right? If I'm saying you, then I would say you are my best friend. If I'm talking about something belonging to you, I would use this possessive noun pronoun your. Tiffany is your friend, right? If I'm talking about he, that's a personal pronoun. It's talking about one singular person if they are male. It says John plays ball. He is good. That is his basketball if it's a possessive pronoun. She, her. Mary is a writer. She writes stories. The mouse is one of her stories because it belongs to Mary. We is a group of people, so we can say we if it's a personal pronoun, or our if it belongs to the group. So it says Sam is in my class. We like the teacher. So Sam and I together, because it's more than one person, we like the teacher. Our teacher is very fun. They, them are also personal pronouns to talk about a group of other people. If we're talking about possessive, it would say their. Sasha and Lola are sisters. They fight a lot. Their mother is nice. So now I'm going to model for you and talk about how I would identify the correct pronoun to use in this sentence. So my thinking step is to first identify the noun of the sentence. Then I'm going to think which pronoun makes the most sense to use. And then I'm going to choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. So number 1 says, John is at school. He, his, likes to learn. So what is the noun in this sentence? The noun is John, right? It's John here. So John must be a boy. So would I use he or his? So I'm going to use both to see which one makes the most sense. He likes to learn. His likes to learn. Does anything belong to him right now? No, it's just saying that he likes to learn. So he is the pronoun that I would use. Here, number 2 says, is that you, your bike? Which one would make the most sense? Is that you bike? Is that your bike? Which one? Your. If you said your, you're right. So is that your bike? Because it belongs to you, right? So when you think of pronouns, which ones to use, think, am I talking about a personal pronoun or is something belonging to somebody else? And you've got to identify whether it's singular or plural. One way to do it is to use the sentence and use both pronouns and see which one makes the most sense. Okay, which one makes the most sense? You're going to get some practice in your Google form. And in your practice, what I want you to do is complete the sentence with the correct pronoun. So remember your thinking steps. Identify the noun, which pronoun makes the most sense, and then choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. So here's what you're going to do in the next section. You're going to read the sentence and figure out which pronoun completes the sentence. So look at number 1 says, Barack Obama was the 44th president. He, him was the first Black president. Which pronoun makes the most sense in completing the sentence? Here is your anchor chart. Here is your thinking steps. Good luck on your practice, and I will see you when you're ready for the exit ticket.